How to set up recurring tasks on monday.com. So first go to monday.com and then just click on automate here at the top. Next is just click on add automation, then click on when this happens. Search for every time period. Click on this one. Next is click on every time period, then you can set this set the recurring time every to daily, weekly, or monthly. So let's say I want to set it daily and then choose the time. So I want it to recur every 7 a.m. Then click on then do this, then click on create item since we're going to create a task every day. Click on an item, and then here you can fill in all of the details. So let's say I want to name this item into item 1, then choose the assignee, choose the person that you want to assign this task to. Then you can customize all of this, all the details. So after you're done doing that, click on anywhere here, then click on create automation. Okay, now you can see it here. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.